Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to earn money with Gelato. So Gelato is a print-on-demand service that integrates with platforms like Etsy, Shopify, Amazon, and TikTok Shop. You design products like shirts, mugs, publish them on your store, and Gelato handles production, shipping, no inventory required. So all you have to do is to sign up and integrate your Gelato to your Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon, and then start designing products. So here, if you want to sell product like shirts or mugs and then submit or publish this to your Etsy, to your Shopify or Amazon, first you need to design it here using Gelato tools. So select a category. Let's just say you want to design a shirt here on your Gelato. So look for that specific shirt that you want or look for a template, and then you can now start designing. Basically, you can use Gelato's editor or upload your own designs to product like apparel, wall art, mug, stationery, and so on. You can also use other tools like Canva if you want. So you can design here inside Gelato using Gelato tools and then publish this, submit this to your store, or you can also use other tools like Canva. Canva is a free editing tool, and all you have to do is to create an account and then design here. And same thing, all you have to do is to just basically upload the designer picture. This one, I created it using Canva. Okay, so I have created now a design. I can add everything here or look for the mock-ups, add more elements using Gelato tools. So yes, once done, you can now publish this one. And then you can select a profitable niche like this one, like the t-shirt, and then set a price. Now, once done, you can publish products to your store. So once assigned and priced, publish it directly to your connected storefront. Let's just say Etsy, Shopify, Amazon. Always order sample products first to verify quality and design alignment. And then after that, you can now go for your strategies. Like you can post this on your social media account, like Instagram, TikTok, or you can also build an email list offering subscriber discounts or previews. So it's up to you. You can also do this affiliate program. So there are a lot of ways to earn here or to get money using Gelato. So all you have to do is set up account, design products, choose a niche, use their price calculator, publish, market via social media, SEO or email campaigns, and optimize based on customer feedback. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.